And speaking of YouTube gods, we got a couple people that we want to give our YouTube flowers to.
Yeah, this is the section we call the YouTube flowers. New segment we want to call YouTube flowers, man. We deserve, not we deserve. We believe, as most great people say, give people their flowers while they're here, not when they're gone. So, you want to go? You want to give yours?
Yeah, I'll start it off. Mine is with a pretty well-known comedian. He does pretty well, Mark Norman.
Why?
Well, mainly because he's really been attacking YouTube lately, and for a while. So like going over the past couple of years, he filmed a special and he was shopping it around to like the normal way, like to like Netflix and Amazon and all these places, and nobody was really biting, or maybe they were and wasn't giving him the numbers. I don't know, but he's super funny, like super duper funny.
You put me on to the Matt Fox.
So he was shopping it, and eventually this quarantine happened, and he just put it out. And did it on YouTube, and I don't know how many views this got, whatever. I knew it did super well for him, but now all that material that he's been holding on to for years is just, you can't, as a comedian, you can't do it anymore, you know what I mean? So it's like, it's out. So now he put that out on YouTube, getting good YouTube traction. He's doing some podcasts and stuff like that, so I like the YouTube grind. And then he also, this week, just put out a mini documentary about his first show back, because comedians are getting booked now. You know what I'm saying? They're getting booked at like little spot dates in places like Texas and Florida, places that are opened. So he put out a documentary of like his first show back during quarantine.
I feel like you just said something about, I know someone who just did that same thing.
Really? Yeah. I showed it to you the other day though. That might be what you're thinking of. But I just think it was super dope how he's doing that, and he put it right out on YouTube.
That's what I'm thinking. Did he do the Schultz?
It's a Schultz.
Is the Schultz formula?
It's the Schultz formula for sure, and
that's what triggered like to my head.
It's super Schultzy, and I think it's the way to go.
It's the Schultz formula by way of Russ.
Yeah. It's just the new formula, bro. Yeah. And like people shy away from doing stuff because they're like, oh, that's the Schultz formula. I don't want to copy Schultz. But Schultz will be the first one to tell you, he'll be like, fucking do it. You know what I mean? He'll tell you where you got it from, how to do it. And honestly, like, you can wait until everybody is doing it, or you can just see the trend early and try to hop on it.
Yeah. Nah, man. Shout out to Schultz too, man. That's another
flower.
I mean, you'll get yours another day, but Schultz, you the man.
I got a couple bouquets lined up, man.
Yeah, facts. We got you, Charlamagne, and a bunch of people. My flowers go to my guy on YouTube. We share one of them, the greatest name on earth, Joshua.
Side note, mine was my flowers were for Mark. His was for Josh. Go on.
Josh and okay,
Mark.
Yeah, but so shout out to Josh Reacts, man. Just real quick, Josh is a super dope YouTuber, super dope drummer, a musician, and recently, I think this week or something like that, or like this past week, his account got hacked, man. We got to be careful. We got to be.
His account got hacked?
His account got hacked. So I guess a company sent him an email for him to review their editing software. He's like, okay, cool, let's do that. And then when he went to download the editing software, there was nothing. There was no software. It was just empty. And then the next day, his whole channel was deleted, and there was
no way.
No. I'm sorry. Now his channel was deleted. His videos were deleted, and there was one upload for like some bot shit, like some Joe Rogan some Trump thing, some weird Trump thing.
What the fuck?
Yo, it was so weird, bro. And then I think it was something weird like that. And then what was I gonna say? Oh, and then he had like a bunch of trouble. He's at 78.8 thousand subscribers, almost at 80,000, and he had trouble getting in contact with YouTube.
Well, right now.
Yeah, but come on, man. He had to tweet and do all this other stuff, and bigger channels had to like contact their rep.
Oh wow.
And do all that. Anyway, the point is, thank God, right now everything's all good. He got his channel back, so we'll put the description. We'll put his link in the description down below, so you can check that out. But yeah, man, shout out to Josh, man. He's super dope. I'm glad you got your channel back, bro. I'm gonna be doing some reactions to some of your videos, and when I put out some jump covers, maybe you could check out some of ours.
Josh reacts to Josh reacts.
Josh reacts to Josh reacts. The reply.
That's gonna crush the algorithm.
We'll be right back. We're gonna pay some bills. If you're new to the channel, we have 6+ uploads a week. Josh and Murph here for your service.
Over 100 videos on YouTube, dude.
over 105.
I think it's more than that.
107. Peace out. Deuces.